Hey everyone, welcome back to the Quickworks YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of on-demand apps. You know them, you love them, Uber Eats, DoorDash. These apps have revolutionized the ways we get things done. But have you ever wondered how these on-demand giants work? And maybe, you've had an idea for your on-demand service? Well, then this video is for you. We'll be guiding you through the key steps involved in creating an on-demand app, the features you need to consider, and why Quickworks might be the perfect technical partner to bring your vision to life. Introduction to on-demand apps. On-demand apps connect users with service providers in real time. Think of it as a digital marketplace where you can instantly request a service, whether it's a ride to the airport, a delicious meal delivered to your doorstep, or even a handyman to fix that leaky faucet. These apps rely on three key players. First is the user, the people requesting the service through the app. Second are providers, the individuals or businesses fulfilling the requests. And third and most important is the platform, which is the application itself, that facilitates the connection between the first two players and manages the entire process. On-demand apps are all about convenience and speed. They leverage features like real-time location tracking, in-app payments, and user reviews to create a seamless experience for everyone involved. Now, let's talk about the features that make an on-demand app truly shine. First and foremost, a user-friendly interface is key. Easy navigation and an intuitive design ensure a smooth and positive experience. Real-time tracking is also a must-have. Users want to be kept in the loop, whether it's seeing their ride approaching or their dinner getting closer. Seamless communication is another important aspect. Built-in chat or call functionality allows users and providers to connect effortlessly. Of course, security is paramount. A secure payment system with options like credit cards or digital wallets ensures a safe and trusted transaction. But that's not all. Advanced analytics let you track user behavior and provider performance, providing valuable insights to optimize your app for continued success. Remember, these are just some of the core features. The specific features you include will depend on your unique on-demand service. So, you've got your brilliant on-demand app idea. Now you need a team to turn it into reality. That's where Quickworks comes in. We are an on-demand app development company with a proven track record of creating innovative and user-friendly on-demand apps. Our expert development team brings a wealth of experience to the table, handling everything from the initial design stages to coding and deployment. We utilize an agile development process, which means we collaborate closely with you throughout the project to guarantee your vision comes to life. Plus, we build apps with scalability in mind, so they can seamlessly grow alongside your business and handle increasing user demands. And most importantly, we prioritize the security of your app and user data, keeping everything safe and protected. Not only this, Quickworks is more than just a developing partner, we're your partner in success. Ready to take your on-demand app idea to the next level? Visit our website to learn more about our services and schedule a free consultation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful app development content.